In this video, I will show you how to download YouTube videos. So before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and open YouTube on your device. So in here, go ahead and look for a specific video that you want to download into your device. So you can go ahead and look for that into your newsfeed or search for that specifically. Now click on that video that you have selected to download. Below the subscribe button, you'll find this download button. So go ahead and click on that download button. Now in here, you can go ahead and select the download quality such as medium or low. If you're a premium user of YouTube, you can go ahead and download these videos in full HD and high definition. Once you have selected the download quality of this specific YouTube video, you can go ahead and start downloading the video by clicking on that download button at the bottom right of your screen. And that's basically how you can download YouTube videos. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.